Yo, yo, yo.
Yo, yo, yo. Got Noah Lee,
Hi.
Bella, Josiah.
Yeah.
And then he's going to record us as we masking this up.
Rocky was bleeding today.
Yeah, as you can tell, I have a lot of help from all my social media and all my...
Yep. Like some people I think left the comments how to do this.
Everybody,
Wow.
so it's definitely a lot of work for one guy. Well, I don't have big, I don't have big human help, but I have kids. Vasile, get back a little bit with the camera. People can see what we're doing.
Yeah.
Don't be put it in my face because nobody can see what we're doing.
So, today we're working on the car
Try it
again.
on?
Yes,
Today we're working on the car again.
Yeah,
Yeah. My dad's crazy with the car and stuff.
definitely crazy with the car.
Yep.
So everybody's got a role right here to help.
Daddy, I'm hungry.
Well, you hungry?
Yeah.
You're gonna have to wait a little bit till I'm done here.
It would be really nice if one of you guys tell in the comments how to do this. It'd be really nice of you guys.
Yeah. Yeah.
It'd be nice of them to come give me a hand, not tell me how to do it.
Well, yeah.
Yeah,
You know what I'm
can give you a hand.
So,
Josiah,
Bella, watch it.
Daddy got some new growth.
Actually,
Daddy got some new camera.
I'm gonna have to put this outside because I'm gonna have to have this. Is it recording?
Yes.
We're just recording John a little bit. So, here he goes. Now, put it up there. He's gonna put the hatch up there.
You gotta stay back with the camera, Vasile,
Okay.
so you can see. Do you see what you're recording?
Yeah,
If you record too close, you can't see what's going on.
but if he goes pretty far, you can see his whole body.
So let's find Master Hood. Go. Go, Master Hood. Bring the paper.
Okay.
Okay. I need more tape.
You're gonna buy some maybe today.
Huh?
I'm gonna probably get you some. I'm probably gonna
It's
get
getting
you
cold. The temperature is dropping, so we gotta hurry up with this.
some.
Right?
Guys.
Oh, there we go.
Hey guys. And we gotta patch it.
Hey guys, it's your boy Vasile Garage, and I just want to share what we got today. We got a package here.
Yes.
As you can see, what it says right, Salvatos Locos, built is looking good. Aaron, what up, bro? Keep killing it. The build of your bizzle. And for sure what we got in this box here.
It's a lot of shirts and one sticker.
Wow, look at that.
Yeah.
Oh look, there's a shirt that says Downstar.
Downstar.
I like
Downstar.
that. I like that one.
Downstar stickers. Downstar.
I think all of them say what the
Huffy Tuck stickers. Downstar.
Downstar.
Wow.
Downstar. Oh my gosh,
Wow.
all the shirts
That's
say,
amazing. That's amazing.
All the
Yeah.
shirts say Downstar. Like
Yo, y'all there, Downstar guys. I appreciate you. I'm in the middle actually taping the doors, and I just got this box in.
Yeah.
And I'm just so appreciative for actually people recognizing what we do for the community, and we appreciate you. And Vasile is doing a great job at recording this.
we can
And
actually use those stickers.
yeah. We can definitely use the stickers. We can definitely use the shirts. They're so beautiful shirts. I would not want to use them in the garage.
Yeah.
So I definitely use them to wear them out.
Yeah.
And Vasile is doing again a great job holding the GoPro here. No, you're not looking. You're a bad camera guy. Next time I'm gonna give it to Della. But Della does a better job. She actually looks in the camera when she's recording. You're not just holding it. The frustration is real. As you can tell, temperature is dropping. It was 38. Now it's probably like, no, it was like 43. Now it's probably 38, and it's dropping. And tonight we're supposed to paint this. So appreciate you over there, Downstar, everybody.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot, guys.
We can actually use the stickers.
Oh, Della. Hey.
Okay, where's the phone then? Is it in the car?
Give me a clue.
Maybe.
What did you have your phone when you were like summer? What did you?
Okay, call my phone with your iPad.
Hey, come on. Oh wait.
Hey, recording Della? Della doing a great job.
Yeah. Well, that's going quick. Duh.
So what we're doing here, we're just sanding down, scuffing up the bay, the primer, self-etching primer.
My dad still lost his phone.
Are we trying to clear up these like black sides? Are we trying to get the black sides?
Huh?
Are we trying to get the black sides?
Della, work on one side. Gotta work that side. So there you go, guys. It's a real struggle right here. I got my kiddos to give me a hand. You out there think that, I got all this help, getting this stuff done. Not really. It's all me right here, me and the kids.
Yeah, just us. Mom's at the gym. Mom's gonna be gone for a while. Yes. She's going to get some bubble gum here. What? What do you mean about bubble gum? Here. Shh. Car. Okay, it's in the car. I can get it. Do this.
Or should I? Okay. So I'm gonna help you. I don't think you can. Where should I do it at?
It's not right there.
Yeah, you know what? Yeah, No's in the video now. Yep. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Someone corner doesn't work. Get your way out.
I can barely see my fingers.
Huh? It's probably inside the house. I'm telling you right now.
It's a struggle to work on your car. It's a struggle.
It's a struggle. How about Vasile? He knows, right? You know the struggle?
Yeah, it's a huge struggle.
It's a lot of work, right?
Oh, there you go. Sorry. Then don't need to call it.
But like it's an ongoing thing, and I'm just like rushing and
I can see all the dust behind that.
and the temperature is not really helping.
I know. You need to turn those fans on.
I don't know, because it's getting cold right now.
Yeah.
So I gotta hurry up. That's why I'm doing this.
Yeah, we should just close the garage.
Well, I still gotta clean up the garage.
Oh.
Garage is not ready for paint.
Yeah.
See what I'm saying?
Yeah, because you have to put like box stuff on the floor so you don't get on the floor. Right?
Huh?
You have to put paper on the floor so you don't get the paper very dirty.
Alright.
Yeah. Everybody does that when you spray paint their car. We're smart people do that. This thing's at 60%.
Okay, think enough.
Okay.
And guys, just to let you know, that's why it's good to pressure wash, because you can see how nasty.
Usually
That's from the primer. See that?
Usually all that work was kind of me.
That's why we're getting everything cleaned up real quick. Get everything out of here. No, Ali's gonna hold this real quick right here while I pressure wash.
I did not know that.
Okay. Move. So you can see. Guys, here you go. Pen 1. Got pen 2. Got a heater going. Got all the other stuff. Got the bay. Got pen 4. Probably cleaned up in there. Yeah, buddy, come on. Let's get it. Let's get it. Guys, bam. Got a mixer cup here. You know, it's 4-to-1. And then we got the page. We got the reducer. I got the GoPro going at the same time. Yeah, buddy. Come on. I got the fence going. I got 1, 2, 3, and that should ventilate pretty good, you know what I'm saying? Not crazy, but definitely better than nothing. Yeah, boy. Let's see here, 4-to-1. Made a mess up in here. Got some funnels. If you guys don't mind, I'm going to take a quick picture. I'll be right back. Just hold on a second. There you go. I'm going to take a quick picture, so just kind of hang on a second, alright guys? Alright. There you have it. Yeah, buddy. There you go. Got the banana right up in there. All right. Vale. All right. Who's ready? What's up, guys? The struggle is real up in here, and I got this thing filled up to the top.